Can you hear yourself in there? Yeah. Our unfinished bathroom. You silly girl. Does it echo in there? Hi. Where are you going? Come back here. Hey, come back here. Woo! Maddie! What you doing? What? You say hello. Hello. You growling. It's funny. Come back here. You be careful. You're wild. I know, our house is a disaster. Gotta get this bathroom done. Whoa! Dixie! That's Mommy's bag. I feel like I'm camping these days. Go find your cup. Where's your water cup? Come on, Maddie. Daddy's not back there. Where's Daddy? Where's Dada? Where? Is that echo? That's a puppy. Say hello. Thank you. Where are your shoes? Where are your shoes? Over here. Those are your shoes? Yeah. Where do they go? Huh? Oh, that's your stop. Stop.